Hi there. Today I'll show you how to use the inventory tracker, which you can purchase on our website, SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template helps you track stock levels, monitor incoming and outgoing items, and keep your inventory organized and up to date, making inventory management simple and efficient. Before getting started, take a moment to read the instructions on the first page. They'll guide you through how to use the template effectively. The first step shows how to specify the main categories on which the drop-down lists are based. The next step shows how to fill out the inventory table. Next, it shows how to fill in the data for vendors, which is an important step for keeping supplier information organized and ensuring accurate inventory tracking. The step shows how to fill in the purchases table, which is a key step for tracking incoming inventory, monitoring costs, and keeping stock levels accurate. Next, it explains how to fill in the sales table, which is essential for tracking outgoing inventory and monitoring sales performance. The step shows how to fill in the bill of materials, which is essential for defining product components and ensuring accurate inventory calculations. The final step shows how to analyze sales by month, by year, and for the entire period. Go to the settings sheet. First, define the currency by entering the symbol, which will be consistently used in all tables with payment amounts. Move to the table below. In the category block, specify the categories used to organize your inventory items, such as finished product, raw material, packaging, equipment, supplies, or others that fit your needs. In the type block, specify the item type, such as product, material, consumable, or asset, to better classify and manage your inventory. In the unit block, specify the unit of measurement for each item, such as kilograms, pounds, grams, box, pack, or roll, to keep your inventory quantities clear and consistent. In the status column of the sales table, specify the current status of each sale, such as delivered, shipped, returned, or canceled. You can specify 50 categories in each block. Go to the inventory sheet. With this table, you can specify and analyze inventory data. Specify the item or product. Enter the SKU. Select the category. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Select the type and unit. Enter the initial stock. The data in the manufacturing column is calculated automatically based on the information specified in the manufacturing sheet. Specify the minimum stock. The data in the purchases column is calculated automatically based on the data in the purchases sheet. Sales information is pulled from the sales sheet. The data in the quantity and stock and status columns is entered automatically. Specify the sales price and cost. The profit and margin are calculated automatically. If necessary, specify any notes. Enter more examples. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. It's best not to change the formula cells, as this could disrupt the calculations. These cells are also locked for protection. If you still decide to modify a formula, just enter your data and click OK when prompted. The formula will be updated. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we recommend leaving the formulas untouched to ensure everything functions correctly. Go to the vendors sheet. The vendor's sheet is a critical part of this inventory model. It keeps all supplier information in one place. This allows you to manage procurement efficiently, track costs, and plan orders with confidence. Specify the vendors. Enter the contact name. Enter the phone number and email address. Specify the website if available. Enter the supplier's address details: street address, city, state, postal code, and country. Specify the payment details. If necessary, enter the note. Go to the purchases sheet. The sheet is essential for managing inventory efficiently. It enables better planning, cost control, and a clear overview of your procurement. Specify the order date and receive date. Select the material. The data in the SKU column is automatically pulled up. Select the vendor. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the vendor's sheet. Enter the order quantity. Enter the received quantity. The data in the difference column is calculated automatically. This column shows the difference between the order and received quantity. Specify the unit cost. The amount in the column is calculated automatically. If necessary, you can enter the note. Let's enter more examples. Next, go to the sales sheet. This table should contain sales data. Specify the date. Select the product. The column is updated automatically. Enter the quantity. Select the sales status. The drop-down list is generated based on the data specified on the settings sheet. Enter more examples. Go to the Bill of Materials sheet. On this sheet, you need to fill out the product cards based on the materials. Select the product. Specify the quantity to be made. Next, enter the materials and quantities needed to manufacture the selected product. Let's enter a few more products. In the first block, you can select a product and specify the desired quantity. The table below will automatically generate a list of required materials along with the calculated quantities needed for production. Copy this data and transfer it to the manufacturing sheet. Enter the date and product. There, you can specify the list of materials currently in production. The quantities of these materials are recorded in the manufacturing column on the inventory sheet. You can enter several products to this sheet. This quantity will also be included in the inventory. This step is essential for maintaining accurate inventory calculations and ensuring that stock levels reflect ongoing manufacturing activities. Go to the dashboard sheet. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Let's return to the model. The data on this sheet is updated automatically. The upper section displays the key inventory indicators. Quantity in stock, quantity in or out of stock, and quantity sold. These data are calculated based on the data specified in the inventory sheet for the entire period. These charts can be used to analyze sales by month. You need to select a month and the data in the chart will be updated. These visual insights help you quickly identify top sellers and focus on the products that generate the highest revenue. The table below provides a detailed analysis of sales by product. The central charts show analytics for the selected year. It helps you detect seasonality patterns, monitor business growth, and quickly identify strong or weak months. The table below provides a detailed analysis of sales by product. These charts show data for the entire period. This information shows the best performing products across the entire sales history. It helps identify consistently high demand items and supports long-term strategic and inventory planning. And one technical point, if you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try the Inventory Tracker Template by entering your own products, stock levels, and purchases. You'll see how easy it is to track inventory and manage your stock efficiently. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.